Here in the occupied West Bank, the first ever protest since Israel's Knesset had passed that death penalty law. And what you're seeing behind me are activists, both from Israel as well as Palestinians, here to get together to essentially call for the same thing, that this law should be deemed illegal, that it should be thrown out by the Israeli Supreme Court. And what we're seeing over here are these activists holding posters saying that human rights are for all, that they're standing together against the death penalty, that the prisoners over here are or should be freed. And you're also seeing a growing military presence over here. Just shortly after this small group of protesters gathered over here, there are more military vehicles coming in. But it's worth pointing out that Palestinians here in the occupied West Bank are tried in military courts. And what this law means essentially is that these military courts could hand down these death sentences, and that has created a global outcry with many human rights groups and governments saying that this is a law that almost by definition targets Palestinians, because Jewish extremists and Israeli illegal settlers are not under or will not be targeted by the same law. This is a cause of concern for many over here, but you can see that the military are perhaps trying to shut this protest down.